Alright, yung gabi tanan, yung gabi sa tanan. Alright guys, today, although lang na kita gina no. Subong si Nancy Roper, Winifred, Logan Ellison, and Tierney. Nancy Roper, si Winfred, si Logan, kag si Tierney. Si Roper, si Logan, kag si Tierney. LRT. So tandaan, LRT. LRT, tatlo ni sila. Alright? Group project sila, guys. Group project sila, ya. Tatlo, alright? So, ano ni sila? Model of nursing based on activities of living. Activities of living. So, nursing is the practice of assisting patients live through life. Live through life. So, tandaan si Nancy, si Winifred, and si Allison. Alright? LRT. LRT or RLT. Alright, RLT. So this model incorporates a lifespan approach wherein the characteristics of the person are considered with respect to prior development, current level development, and likely future development. Alright, dusi lang ni kabilog, dusi lang. The model then incorporates a set of 12 activities of living, which represent those activities engaged in by individuals whether sick or well. All right? 12 activities of living. 12 activities of living. Together, these elements are referred to as a model of living. All right? Una, maintaining what? Maintaining a safe environment. Maintaining a safe environment. Ikadua, it's breathing, taking in air to stay alive. Of course, communication, mobilizing. Alright, mobilizing guys, lakat-lakat pala. Right, moving around, walking. Alright, eating and drinking. Alright, getting energy and nutrients. Same lang na eliminating. Of course, going to the bathroom, poops. Ano to? Alright, seven, personal cleansing and dressing. Personal cleansing and dressing, of course. Maintaining body temperature, keeping warm or cool, of course. Working and playing, having a balance of rest, work, and of course, fun. Sleeping, of course, tulog, kay syempre, resting to recover energy. And expressing sexuality, feeling confident about your body and relationships. Alright? And of course, most of all, dying. Right? Five main factors that influence ADLs, of course, biological, psychological, socio-cultural, environmental, and politico-economic. Tandaan lang na guys ha. So sa lifespan na muni tanan, alright, lifespan na muni, sa dalom sina, mayroon na lima ka bilog nga factors gina. So ano to ang lima ka bilog? Biological, psychological, socio-cultural, and environmental. Alright? Sorry, may politico-economic pagili. Sorry, lima ka bilog. O ano na siya, ang lima nga ni apektado ang dosing ani. Ano ang dosing ani? Activities of living amo na siya. Alright, so independence continuum. So sa dalo na it's individualizing nursing. So paano na i-assess nato, i-plan, implement and evaluate ang dosing ani kag ang lima nga ni. Kaya ang lima nga ni apektado ang dosing ani. Right? So that one has been a significant guide towards advancing nursing practice, research, and education. In that, it places great emphasis on the nurse's ability to perform continuous patient assessment, provide assistance in the performance activities of living and individualizing patient care. So, for example, guys, diri, no, sa eating and drinking, if a patient can eat properly, the nurse helps with feeding or plans a special diet. So, amo lang na yung ulo Browns ang nurse. For example, ang lakat, hindi ka lakat ang patient. Alright, the nurse helps them practice, or of course, use mobility aids. Right? And individuality of living, the way in which the person attends to his activities of living with respect to his development, age or his place in the lifespan, blah, blah. Next, activities of 11, guys, puro mo lang na di ano gid objective, no? So describe the person a complex process of living from the perspective of an amalgam of activities. So lifespan, dependence, and independence. Continuum, tandaan lang ni base magwa relates to the factors and activities of the person. So factors kag activities of the person. The continuum ranges from full incapacitation to having the ability to achieve activities of living. So both concepts occur at anticipated points across the lifespan and at unexpected times throughout life. So in short, this model, no, ano nga model, see the whole person. So hindi lang man ang sakit ya guys. So bilogid nga pagkatao ya. Alright? Nag-support siya sa independence and of course, ano brown mo, i-plan mo ang care nga fit sa patient's life. Sa iya nga adlaw-adlaw nga kabuhi. Alright? Next, si Lydia Hall. Lydia Hall, CCC, tandaan, Lydia Hall, CCC. Lydia Hall, CCC. Lydia Hall, CCC. So, anong CCC? Care, Cure, Core, Theory of Nursing. Care, Cure, Core, Theory of Nursing. Alright, born in New York. Alright, sana all. Alright. Research and field rehabilitation brought her to develop the care cure core theory. So, ari siya. Ang Hall's three aspects of nursing: the person, therapeutic use of self, of course, ang core, the body, intimate bodily care, ang care, and the disease, alright, ang sakit. Seeing the patient family through medical care. So, theory description, right? Participation in care, core, and cure aspects of the patient care, where care is the sole function of nurses, whereas the core and cure are shared with other members of the health team. So, care, iya sang nurses, ang core kagang cure, iya sang other members of health team. Alright? Now, as Hall says, alright, to look at and listen to self is often too difficult. Without the help of a significant figure or nurturer, sila ning mga nurse, who has learned how to hold up a mirror and sounding board to invite the behavior to look and listen to himself. If he accepts the invitation, he will explore the concerns in his acts as he listens to his explanation, blah blah. A theory assumptions, the motivation and energy necessary for healing exist within the patient rather than in the healthcare team. So, ang motivation and energy nga kinanlan para mag-ayo for healing exists within the patient. Ara na yan sa pasyente. Alright? Three aspects of nursing should not be viewed as functioning independently but as interrelated. So, tanan sila connected, interrelated. Alright? So, care, ano kita na, care, limited to helping the patients or families deal with the measures instituted by the physician. Exclusive sa nursing lang. Exclusive sa mga nurse. Alright? Explains the role of nurses and function on performing the noble task of the nurturing patients. Component of the model is the motherly care. Motherly care. Provided by the nurses. George. This may include comfort measures, patient instructions, helping patients meet their needs where help is needed. Na, yes, in short, kung diin maayo ang nurse, kung diin maayo magubrang nurse, of course, sa diin, baby, taking care of the patient's body. Right? So it includes what? Oh, pwede paliguan, na magpaligo sa patient, pagpakaon sa ila, giving comfort, muna. Okay? For example, what do you call this? For example, a nurse, okay? A nurse helps a patient with a fever by keeping them comfortable, of course, giving them fluids and checking their temperature. All right? Next is cure, refers to medical interventions that are performed on the patient. The foundation of this concept stems from pathological and therapeutic sciences that include microbiology, pathology, pharmacology, and pathology. Includes nursing activities that are dependent upon the orders of the physician. Dili mo i-apply ng mo medical knowledge sa cure na. Right? Cure. Ano na siya, this part is ano na siya for helping the patient recover from their illness na. So, ang nurse, nag-work siya together with the doctor, amo ni ginambaya, together with the doctors, alright, and other health workers to give medicines, treatments, and monitor patient's condition. Alright, the focus is ano na, focus is kay bangod nga cure, ang focus ya is disease or injury na. Alright? So for example, ano na, ang nurse gatag sa antibiotic para ma-cure ang infection. Kag i-check kung nagagana. Alright? Next is ang core. Ang core, ano ning core? Core is refers to the person or recipient of care. The includes the use of therapeutic self to relate with the patient. Alright, it is anchored in the social sciences, using the self in relationship to the patient. Guys, in short, ano ni, naga-focus kita sa sulod gid sang patient. Alright, ano nang sulod sang patient? Ilang nga feelings, ilang nga thoughts, ilang nga goals, ilang nga fears. Alright, it's about healing the mind and spirit, not just the body. Alright? So for example, ang nurse nagastorya siya sa patient na nakolbaan sa surgery. Kag ginabuligan niya maging kalma kag confident. Alright? And that is it. Ari siya na tatlo. The care circle, the cure circle, circle, and the core circle. Alright? Dire, dire na lang ta. The rest is our focus on performing the noble task. Ay, liwat-liwat lang ginambal ko na gina. Oh, comfort, sa care, sa cure, ang pagbulong, o pag-ayo, sa core, sa sulod gid sang patient, ang iya thoughts, iya feelings, o this area emphasizes the social, emotional, spiritual, o dira lang na intellectual needs sa balik kita of the patient in relation to family, institution, community, and the world. So meaning sa sulod gid o express feelings, o na sila na siya guys, liwat-liwat lang na. Reflective technique, alright, used by the professional nurse in a way that he or she acts as a mirror, alright? Ga-reflect siya to the patient to help the latter explore his or her own feelings regarding his or her current health. Motivations are discovered through the process of bringing into awareness the feelings being experienced. Okay.